This is your Krishna. Welcome to the channel Game of the Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss equality of the matrices. Okay, so we'll see. So how we can say that two matrices are equal. So if you want two matrices to be equal, they should have the same order. If two matrices have the same order, and their corresponding elements should be equal. Their corresponding elements. Their corresponding elements should be equal. Then we can say that the two matrices are equal matrices. So two matrices are equal, then they should have the same order and their corresponding elements should be equal. Their corresponding elements should be equal. Then only we can call that the two matrices are equal. So finally we can say that two matrices are equal if they have same order and their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Then we can say that the two matrices are equal. So now we will discuss one problem about equality of the matrices. Okay. So let's write down the problem. If question is if x plus y 2x plus z x minus y 2z plus w equal to 4, 7, 0, 10. Then find the values of x comma y comma z comma w. So how can we find out this problem? We'll see now. So if two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements should be equal and they should have the same order. First check that whether they have the same order or not. First check that. So what are the elements they given? X plus y, 2x plus z, x minus y, 2z plus w equal to 4, 7, 0, 10. So both are having the same order 2 by 2. And now check their corresponding elements should be equal. So make all corresponding elements equal. Then we can get the x comma y comma z comma w values. So x plus y equal to 4, 2x plus z equal to 7, x minus y equal to 0, 2z plus w equal to 10. Then solve this two. 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. Then put in the equation x equal to in x plus y equal to 4, 2 plus y equal to 4. You got y value as a 2. Then try to solve the z value. So 2x plus z equal 7, x equal to 2. Substitute x equal to here. Z equal to 7. Z equal to 7 minus 4. Z equal to 3. Ez equal to 3. Now substitute ez in this equation. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus w equal to 10. Then w equal to 10 minus 6. W equal to 4. So this is how finally we got the values of x comma y comma z comma w. This is how we have to solve the equality of the matrices problem. So next we will go to the another model which will be somewhat different than this model, but somewhat different than this model we will see. Okay, so write down next question. Value of x and y for the which matrix? For what values of x and y for which matrix A and B are matrix A equal to 2x plus 1 3y 0 y square minus 5y and P equal to x plus 3 y square plus 2 0 minus 6 are equal. For what values of x and y for which matrix A and B are equal? They are asking you to find out if matrix A and B are equal, then what are the values of x and y they are asking. So let's make A and B are equal. A equal to B. So what is A? 2x plus 1 3y 0 y square minus 5y. So this is the B. X plus 3 y square plus 2 0 minus 6. So two matrices are equal means their corresponding elements should be equal. So note it down. So now we will get their corresponding element should be equal. Now 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 3. 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 3. So make it 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 3. 3y equal to y square plus 2. Corresponding elements I am making. See, 0 equal to 0 now. Y square minus 5y equal to minus 6. Now solve the equation. 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 3. X equal to 2 you will get. Then try to solve the y values. So first to solve the 3y equal to y square plus 2. Then you will get y square minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Then try to solve this equation. Take the factorization. Minus 2y minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Y of y minus 2 minus 1 y minus 2 equal to 0. Y minus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Then y equal to 1 or y equal to 2. Now try to solve this equation also. Y square minus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. Y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Then take common y minus 3. Take minus 2 common, y minus 3 equal to 0. Then what you will get? Y minus 2 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Then y equal to or y equal to 3 we got. Here, so to find out the value, y value, anyway x value we got. So I want to find out y value. So here I have to take the common value in the both the condition. Why? Because if I take y equal to 3, here y equal to 3 it won't satisfy. Or if I take y equal to 2, if I take y equal to 1, here y equal to 1 it won't satisfy. Only value which satisfy both the equations is y equal to 2 only. That's why I am taking common value. So answer is y equal to 2 because it is a common. It is a common value. So we have to take the common value only. Therefore, x equal to 2, comma y equal to 2. So this is how simple we can solve the problems of equality of the matrices. So we did two problems. So next class we are going to do the algebra of the matrices. Algebra matrix we will discuss next class. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. So we will meet in the next class. So don't forget channel name is Game of Mathematics. Okay, bye. We will meet in next class.